Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? And I hope you will enjoy this video. Today I'm doing something a little bit different than I have done. I'm actually going to put 6 of my German Shepherds, which I have right here with me right now in the back of my car, outside of Walmart, and keep them there all by themselves, laying down, and try to capture people's reactions as they come out of the grocery store and they see 6 German Shepherds laying there completely by themselves. I'm curious to see if people are going to try to take the dogs or pet the dogs, or even maybe try to call the police on me. Like, I have no idea. It's a beautiful summer day. It's very hot here in South Carolina today, and I'm curious to see what people are about to do, what they're about to do when they walk out of the local grocery store and see something they have never seen before. 6 beautiful German Shepherds laying there all by themselves. So let's go and see what happens. Also guys, I love you all, and show me that you love me back by subscribing to my channel, and definitely follow us on social media. We are on Facebook and Instagram at The Ultimate German Shepherds. That's easier for us to stay in touch. We post a lot of frequent updates there, and also if you have any questions, you can always message us on Instagram. We're good at getting back with you on there. So let's go. Also, I don't know if I have ever showed you guys on YouTube the tattoo of my bloodline and paw print, as well as one of my German Shepherds that I have tattooed on my arm. I figure I'll just show you because if you're not following me on Facebook and Instagram, you probably have not seen these before. Earlier this year, I got quite a few tattoos, which I posted on my Instagram. Oh my god guys, so you guys are not even gonna believe this. Like, I never come to this particular Walmart for some reason. Actually, I was at Lowe's first, walking the dogs there, and that's why I'm at this particular Walmart. But it was like it's meant for me to be here, because I was just about to leave the car when I look to my side and I see this guy lay on the hot concrete, and you know, obviously he wasn't moving or anything, so I called 911, and it happened that he was overdosed and was almost dying. I mean, he could barely breathe. He was like unconscious, and they said if I hadn't called 911 as fast as I did and they had got there, he would not be alive right now. So you guys are gonna see this in the next clip. It was crazy. This was right before I started filming this video, so I had to include it in here. I think God put me here for a reason, and on top of being able to make this cool video, to be able to save someone's life is also, you know, I feel like accomplished today. It was insane. But I hope you do enjoy the dog video.
Yeah, I love your dogs.
Oh, thank you.
I think that's our patient.
Yeah, that's him, Brad.
Does anybody know him?
I know him.
I don't know. Okay. You know what happened?
Been here Brad.
Let's get him in the truck.
Hello. Oh, what's going on? You never know what's going on. Yeah, you know what they feel. I tell you that.
About heroin.
All about heroin. You can drink alcohol.
Now she has another thing. Yeah. Okay.
Jack.
Okay. Oh, did they? Oh yeah. Good for you.
You know the routine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See you later.
Good seeing you.
Okay, them dogs are just sitting there being tame. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a picture because Logan loves them.
Oh no, I'm going to the dog.
Yeah. Yes. I am. Not that long. Yeah, I'm always training new dogs, so it doesn't take them long to pick up.
How, how long you had her?
There's some that just started training 3 weeks ago.
That's pretty good. Well, man.
Yeah.
Just sit there. Look.
Yeah, with the right training, they pick up pretty fast. With the right training, they pick up pretty fast.
Yeah. And what's them called?
Now, just my personal dogs.
Huh?
She was asking if they're police dogs.
Yeah. That's all right. Look at it. Say, well, man. That's pretty good.
Are you selling the shepherds?
No.
My mother-in-law's looking for another one.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. They're just my personal dogs.
Just your personal dog? Really?
Yeah.
That many?
Yes. They are my dogs.
Are they really?
They're just on command.
Wow, you almost had the cops called on you.
They're sitting there so high.
Are these your dogs? They're beautiful.
Thank
Are they
you.
just like Jay chilling, right?
Yeah, they're just on command to stay down. They're long-haired German Shepherds.
Okay.
And they,
Oh, so you best do you breed them and raise them?
yeah, and I train, so I'm doing I'm just making I do YouTube videos,
She's good.
so
This is a new set.
So you're in the know.
What's going on in here?
I'm making a new YouTube video, so I'm getting people's reactions as they
Oh,
walk
they-
by.
are they
Yeah,
your
they're
dog?
my dogs.
Where are they from?
They're so sweet.
They are some are imported from Europe, and you can pet them if you want. They're very
I'm
friendly.
gonna take a
I knew. Because my daughter was asking my name. Oh my gosh. So do you start? How old are you? When do you start working with them?
It depends. I mean, not as if I can, I start as young as possible, like 8 weeks. Sometimes.
How old
a
are
little
they?
bit older.
What's the age range?
The youngest ones are 11 months. They just turned 11 months yesterday. And then 2 of them are 18 months and 2 of them are 3 years old.
Okay. They're still relatively young.
Yeah,
What's the lifespan for them?
12, 14.
Is it
Depends on, you know,
how you work out? How they take
how you
care of
raise them, yeah, the genetics.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Thank you.
They really are. You should be proud. So they will stay. And obviously they all get. I mean, they're just like one big family. You can tell. No, be proud.
Thank
Truly
you.
Be proud.
Oh, I just can't get over how beautiful they are. I love animals. I have a collie, a long-haired collie.
Nice. No problem. So looks like what most people decided to do was look for the dog's owner. Everybody was looking around, and of course I was standing on the other side with my phone, so they started asking if I was the owner of the dogs. That seemed to be the #1 response from most people. Some people ran inside Walmart and called the manager. They said that these dogs were there all by themselves and they had no idea what was going on. When the managers came out, I told them they were my dogs, and of course everybody was happy to just see the dogs and pet them and ask me questions. What else? I think that was about it. And of course, some people just took pictures and they walked away. I mean, they were fascinated, they were impressed, they were curious, but they didn't do anything about it. What would you have done? Like, what if you walked outside of your store and you saw 6 dogs laying there all by themselves, not tied to anything, just laying there? What would you have done? Also guys, it's time for us to find out who is the winner for last week's contest on my Facebook page, The Ultimate German Shepherd, who is taking home this beautiful poster today. So we're gonna have one of our dogs go outside right now. I just got home, and one of my dogs is going to go outside and decide who gets to take home this beautiful German Shepherd poster. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Also, definitely go watch my social media posts. Like, if you're on my YouTube right now, go to Facebook and Instagram at The Ultimate German Shepherds, because I'm doing like weekly giveaways, so you don't want to miss out. Alright guys, so here is how we are deciding who gets to take home this beautiful German Shepherd poster that you guys just saw. Inside the bag we have a ton of balloons. Some of the balloons have 2 or 3 names in there. If you joined us and put your name and comment and shared and entered into this contest, your name is in there. Some of the balloons, like I said, have 2 or 3 names. If she picks one of those balloons, all 2 and 3 or 3 people are getting the same poster, okay? Some of them only have 1 because I ran out of balloons, so I had to put 2 and 3 names in some of them. I'm going to go there and dump them out and let Carolina pick who gets to take the poster home. But last time I went based on the first balloon that she touched. This time is going to be the 3rd balloon. So the 3rd balloon that she touches gets to take home the poster. And again, if there's 2 or 3 names in there, everybody inside the balloon is going to get the same poster. We're gonna get started. Alright guys, the balloons are out and we're ready to get started. We're gonna send Carolina to pick who takes home the beautiful poster today. Again, we're going based on the 3rd balloon that she picks. Not the 1st, not the 2nd, the 3rd one. Ready, Carolina? Come here. Good girl. Ball. Yes, get it. Get it. Good girl. 1. Get the ball. Get the ball. 2. Okay, here it is. And we have a winner. Thank you, Carolina, for your help.